On this week's tech tip, we're going to see a new feature called Gather Sheet. This option will be available in the drop-down of wall drawing operations. And what it does is basically combines several panels, several drawings in the same sheet. So if you do want to generate drawings for your entire project, but you don't want to use one sheet per panel, you can try this option. As you can see here on your bottom right, you have the levels. So you can generate drawings for all of your levels, or you can select and generate by level. For this example, I'm just going to select the level 1. Here on your left, you have the sheet margins. This is important to take a look and set it correctly, because otherwise the views can go a little bit off the limits of the layout. And here on the top, you have the same options you have on the regular shop drawings. You have the view scale, you have the viewport type, and you have the title block type. In this case here, we had 3 options. This is the biggest one, I believe. So this is the one we're going to use. And here on the drafting view, this is where you're going to set your text type for the panel and for the studs count. So this is a new option and is available only on Gather Sheets. Is the stud counts of your panels. So you're going to see this information below your panel once the drawings get generated. And here in the elevation view, this is where you can assign a view template. You can also set the detail view. We're going to leave it to fine. And the visual style. This is, again, just like the regular shop drawings. And this is where you're going to set all your dimension types and text types. So those are preset dimensions and text types that will be available for the Gather Sheet. So this is what you're going to do is just select the text type that you want or the dimension type. As you can see here, you have several options. And you also have some options for labeling, for text notes that you may need on your panel. And for the plan view, this is where you're going to assign also the view template, the view detail, and the view style. And this will be only for the plan view. So as you can see, the Gather Sheet, it generates only elevation view and plan view. This is what you're going to have. But if you do want other types, then you would have to use the regular shop drawings. So once everything is set, you can just hit OK, and it will generate drawings for all of my level 1 panels. So after it's done generating, you're going to see all of your sheets here. And then if you double click on it, you're going to see that you have several panels gathered in the same layout. So if we zoom in a little bit, you can see that you have all of your dimensions, you have the levels, you also have some text notes, you have your plan view, and here under the panel, you're going to see the panel name and also the studs count. And this is how you generate several drawings on the same sheet. That's it for Gather Sheet. See you guys next week.